Hi, this is Jamie from Empowered Social Media, and we're going to talk about 10 growth strategies on YouTube. All right, starting off with number one is to be consistent. So when you're trying to create content, you have to have a strategy that you put together. You can't just create content in different categories. One, how to make food video, and then another one with a gaming video, and then an educational video. You need to figure out what it is, and you need to be consistent with that based on what your audience is going to like. So two, using robust tagging. You got up to 500 characters that you can use in your tagging section. You want to use as many of those as possible. If you want to start off with more general tags, like for me, for this post, I could say YouTube marketing, social media marketing. Those would be some of the general tags. Then I could get into growth strategies on Instagram, growth strategies on YouTube for this video. So start off general and then work my way down using as many of those 500 characters as possible. So bite-sized videos is number three, where we want to create content that is snackable, something that's under 2 minutes, and we need to deliver in that first 30 seconds of content. So whatever you said you're going to get to in that video, first 30 seconds of content, you need to deliver it. Number four, use bilingual captions. So they give you the option inside under your advanced tools to be able to select to being able to use bilingual captions. Use it. Number five, optimize for mobile. So when you're creating your content, make sure that it is mobile friendly. Number six, create playlists. So if you want to pull content together to organize them in different themes, or if I'm organizing them all into YouTube video, or YouTube video creation, or YouTube strategy, social media strategy, I'd organize it into a playlist so people who are watching one of the videos can seamlessly move into the next one. Great. And then use keywords in the description. So you get description, you got a lot of space in there. You want to use keywords that stand out. Again, social media marketing, growth, sales, things that are really important to people, why they would want to watch your video and what they're going to get out of it. Or there even more information. If you want more, click here. Create end screens. So when we're getting to the end of the video, we want to be able to have these elements on there that push them to the next video. So maybe it's 1 out of 3 videos in a series that I'm doing. So have the second video queued up at the very end, or a subscribe button, and then mention it at the end of your video. Click the button down here to subscribe. Create bright thumbnails for your videos. So you want to have really nice thumbnails, custom thumbnails. It takes some time to put it together, but you want to create these nice custom thumbnails. We have our own thumbnail guide that you can refer to, and we'll give a link down in the description for you to reference, so it can give you a walkthrough on how to create one of these nice, unique thumbnails that are easy to see with big words on them and be the face of the business. So if you own the business, be in front of the camera, be in front of the camera often, so people can see you as a recognizable figure that's representing the brand. All right, that was our 10 growth strategies for YouTube. Check out the rest of our videos and our content, and you can always schedule a 30-minute free session with me, and we can talk about how to optimize your strategy today. Awesome. Take care.